Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to link your Instagram account to Facebook. By linking these accounts, you can easily share posts across both platforms, streamline your social media presence, and enhance your account security. Let's go step by step. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to your profile. From your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the list. Scroll down and tap Account Center. This is where you can manage all linked Meta accounts, including Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. Once in the Account Center, tap Setup Account Center, then select Add Accounts. Select Add Account, and select Add Facebook Accounts. If you're already logged in into Facebook on your device, Instagram will automatically recognize your Facebook account and ask you if you want to link it. If you're not logged in into Facebook, you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook credentials. After logging in, confirm that you want to link the account. Once linked, you will have the option to share your posts and stories directly from Instagram to Facebook. You can adjust these sharing settings based on your preference. For example, you can choose to automatically share your Instagram stories and posts to Facebook by enabling the automatic sharing feature. Additionally, linking your accounts improves security, allowing you to use Facebook to log into Instagram in case you forgot your Instagram password. This unified login system makes account management easier and more secure. If you ever need to unlink your accounts, you can do so by going back to Account Center, selecting the linked Facebook account, and choosing Remove from Account Center. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Instagram to Facebook, making it easier to share your content across both platforms and manage your accounts more efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.